Now, if you are to take a look at our Swiss franc JPY, now we can see that our Swiss franc JPY has actually gotten to this our highest, its highest, for the year, which is go to its highest level here, and it's dropped. It also came to this our level again and dropped, serving as a resistance level here, right? And we can also see our price came to this lows here and bounce up, also come to this our low and bounce up, which means we are actually ranging on our Swiss franc JPY, our highs here, which is our resistance, and our low, which is our support. Very much likely our price will actually push up to this our resistance level, because it is starting to give us that bullish move. You can see it, our price is ranging, and one reason why we'll be seeing a bullish move again to our resistance level on our Swiss franc JPY is that our JPY index is actually dropping on a bearish move. If you have to sit on our daily time frame, this is our resistance level and this is actually our support level, and now our price has gotten to this our resistance level and it is dropping. We'll be seeing drop to our support level. So once we start seeing that bearish move on our JPY index, then our Swiss franc to our JPY will give us that bullish move. At least we have about 200 pips more to go. I think throughout this week we should be able to hit that our resistance level we are all aiming or waiting for it to hit. So at least we have about 200 pips more to go, and for our time frame we are still on an uptrend move. Anytime soon we will have a little bit of a pullback and a continuous bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY.